everybody, so my husband loves my Cloud Effect pours, so he challenged me to do one on a triptych. If you don't know what a triptych is, it's a 3-canvas. It's a 3-canvas painting, so challenge accepted. Okay guys, so I've got my gloves on and I'm ready to go. I have 3 canvas here. Each one is 9 by 12 and I've got them nice and tight together. Later on I will pull them apart once the paint is on it. I've got tacks on the bottom of them as well, so they're lifted up. Alright, so just gonna go ahead and start getting the paint in the cup, and all of the brands and names will be in the description as well. This one is from Soho and it is Alizarin Crimson. I've got Payne's Gray. This one is also from Soho. And all of my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol in water. And then I've got my Cloud Effect mix, which is Artist Loft and Bare Satin Enamel. Alright, and now I've got Phthalo Turquoise, and this is from the Fine Touch. Okay, and then a little bit more of the Crimson, which I am almost out of. I need to get some more of this because this is one of my favorite reds. Alright, let's see, I'll put a little bit more Payne's Gray. Or a lot more. And some more Phthalo Turquoise. Alright, almost out of that also. And then I think I'll just top it off with a little bit more of my Cloud Effect mix. Hey guys, the paintings are dry and I'm really happy with my results. I was a little nervous to do this. I've done triptychs before, but I have never done a cloud effect one, so I love my results. I've got the colors blended really nice. I got the, the cloudy look. I also got some cells in there. And I just love the way they all flow from one to the other. It turned out amazing. I love the light to the dark contrast colors, and again, super happy with it. So if you guys let me know in the comments what you think, I'd appreciate it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you know of anybody that would love to see this, go ahead and share it as well. And have a great day.